What's up, Contendant fam? We're back, Progression Street Session 2024, come on.
Yeah, given Theo's pretty shocking intro. We're in Redhill, back here at the cascading wall spot. First Progression Street Session of the year. We run one of these every so often just to kind of get people out and get people moving. Should be good. There's a standing jump over here that I want to look at from here over to here. Never done it before, it looks pretty big, but I think it should be all right. So I'm just gonna give it a try, maybe a couple of bounces, see how it all goes. For a first attempt, it wasn't too bad, all things considered. I just hit it really weirdly, so it was a bit archy, but I'm just gonna try it again. Oh, there we go. Nice, man. Mate, you're clearing it so far. Yeah. Yeah, dude, nice. Good. Oh, so far, you're going straight to a corner as well. It's not jumping. Oh my god. I know as soon as I do it, it's going to be simple. It's just getting to that point to do it, which is very fucking hard. We'll try again. Do it, it's just not nice. I don't want to walk away from it because I'm in too deep now, but it's very scary. Oh, why is this stride so hard? Maybe it was overthinking it, maybe I just need to go slower. Just the speed makes all the difference. It's rained ever so slightly, but the bricks are still really grippy. We're still training, which is nice, but it's just going to be light stuff, not anything too intense because we don't want to slip. Can't get... Yes. Yes. There we go, that's lovely. You would have actually been fine. You also would have been fine. Yeah, bro. That was wicked. Yeah, there you go. I didn't realise it was still going.